So this is how I conduct my online classes live. Let me do a question for you to demonstrate that. So this is a board I have. You'll be able to see it on your phone or your computer where you have downloaded your Zoom. And suppose we are given a circle here like that. And this is the information given. So that is our line. We have another line here, and we have another line here. We have a line joining the center of the circle, and another joining the center of the circle at that point. Then this diagram is labeled A, B, C, and D, and this is the center of the circle. Then we are given this is angle 40, and this is angle 30, and you are told to find angle BCD. So this angle, what is the value of that angle? We can be able to find the value of this angle if we draw a line from O to A, and then that is the radius of the circle. So this is the radius, OD is the radius. We also have this is the radius, and also that is the radius. This implies that triangle AOB and triangle that is AOB and OAD are isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles. And what we know about isosceles triangles is that the base angles are the same or equal. So it means this angle is 40, this angle is 30, and therefore the total of this angle here, the total of this angle is 70 degrees. That is 30 plus 40. Then what do we know about, you find that A, B, C, and D are, or is not are, but is cyclic quadrilateral. What do we know about cyclic quadrilateral? A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided figure that touches the circumference of the circle. So we can see A touches the circumference, B touches the circumference, C and D. So that is why we are calling it a cyclic quadrilateral. Then we know that we have a property that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180, add up to 180 degrees. So it means this angle here, and this one add up to 180, and therefore we can get our angle BCD is equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, and this will give us 110 degrees. So you get that right. So that is one way we can be able to do online classes. From there, if I want to do revision, we can do that very easily. So I'll be able to bring what I have on your screen of your mobile phone, like the one that I have here. So this is a revision questions that you can do. We can revise this by saying, by question 1, we can say that to find the LCM here, then we need to get the factors of 144 x cubed y squared and 81, that is x y to power 4. I can use this method. So this is our 144. So we want to get the factors. So we get this is 2. We get that is 72. We get 2. We get 36. We get 2. We get 18. we get 2, we get 9, and we get 3, we get 3. So this means that the factors of 144 are x cubed y squared is equals to, we can say it is 2 multiplied by, that is 2 to power 4 multiplied by 3 to power 2 multiplied by x to power 3 multiplied by y to power 2. Then we can get the factors of 81. So here we have 81. We can divide by 3. We get that is 27. We divide by 3. We get this 9. We divide by 3. We get 3. So this means that 81x y to power 4 is equals to, we can get 3 to power 4 multiplied by x multiplied by y to power 4. So how do we get the LCM of this, having the factors? So we can say LCM, we get LCM, we take the factors with the highest index or the power, we call it power. So if we take 2, here we have 2 to power 4. So this is 2 to power 4 multiplied by, here we have x to power 3 to power 2. And here we have 3 to power 4. So we take 3 to power 4. We multiply x, here we have x cubed, and here we have x to power 1. So we take x to power 3 multiplied by y, we have y squared and y to power 4. So we take y to power 4. So this means that we can, that is the LCM. And part B, hence factorize completely this expression. So we have, so we can have 144. Now we write it in its factors. That is 2 to power 4 multiplied by 3 to power 2. Then you multiply by x to power 3 multiplied by y squared minus that is 3 to power 4 multiplied by x multiplied by y to power 4, and you are told to factorize. So how do we do that? So we can continue like that and be able to factorize. From there, we move to the second question. So the second question we have, this will give us, let's just remove what we have on the board, then we can be able to bring the other question on board. So we have GCD of 2 numbers, so we can be able to revise the whole of this question paper, and you'll be able to follow. So that is how I do my online classes.